Hello everybody. Today I'm just going to show you how to install these crankcase protectors. One goes over the cover of your alternator and the other goes over your clutch cover. Now all these are plastic covers that simply help protect your case from getting any kind of blemishes on it. It will not help really a drop, as it doesn't cover the bottom of your crankcases, but any protection is better than none, and they aren't that expensive. And they do say Kawasaki, which is nice. For this installation, you are going to need some kind of solvent to clean your crankcase covers. I used denatured alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol. It evaporates quickly and works good at removing any grime and oils and everything. So that is all you need for this installation. Everything's held on by double-sided tape, and that's already on the covers. That's all you'll need. Let's get started. Okay, so we have part number 999940951. And this is the crankcase ring. Inside, you will find instructions and these two covers. So let's go ahead and start on the left-hand side of the bike. Okay, we are on the left-hand side of the bike, which is your clutch cover. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean it off. I'm using denatured alcohol. Technically, you want a high flash point cleaner, but denatured alcohol evaporates very quickly, and it does good at getting rid of everything. So we're just going to make sure that this is very clean and let it dry. Now that we have everything clean, you're going to want to grab your alternator cover and remove it from the bag. They all match up these ridges here, just like that. Now, it doesn't pop into place or have any way to line up. It's kind of free rotating. I mean, it lines up a little bit because of these little grooves here. But you're going to want to try and get it as straight as possible. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove the tape from the back side. Don't touch it. Don't get any oils from your fingers on it. But remove the tape from all this double-sided tape, sticky tape. Try and line it up. Press it on. You should probably hold it, firm pressure, or move around and provide pressure for several seconds just to make sure you get good adhesion. And once it's on, it shouldn't move or be able to pull off. Okay, let's go to the clutch cover side. Okay, you're going to want to do the same thing here. Take your solvent, rubbing alcohol, denatured alcohol. Clean it off nice and good. Let it dry. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to remove these double-sided tape covers. Remember, try not to touch the tape. Now there's nothing for this side to catch to, so you got to try and line it up center as best as possible. Same thing, apply pressure for a little while. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.